Today we're gonna start practicing Sonatina number 1, movement number 1 by Diabelli. Okay, and we start working by phrases. Remember, we have to start your right hand here, left hand here. So breathe right, breathe left. And where is our destination? D, ta, la, la, ta, ta, ta. And make sure that we need to finish this phrase correctly because it's a resolution lighter, right? It's like beginning of the phrase lighter, the end of the phrase lighter, and little bit like growing inside the phrase, but a little bit because it's still piano. Breathe and breathe. Again. Okay. I don't remember your fingering, okay? So just use your fingers what you have in your score. Okay, so what about your next phrase? Starting from A, right? Now next phrase, starting from A and join your left hand here. Okay, let's see. Same thing. And make sure that these notes, it's a quarter notes, right? It's not 8 notes, so it can be very short. Tam, pam, pam. Ta, ti, dam, pa, ram. As much as you can, long as much as you can, okay? Ta, da, lo, da, ti, ta, ta. It's like a voice. Ta, da, da, ta. Not like ta, 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 right? So make sure that we need to copy, like imitate human voice, okay? And now next phrase, long, a little bit louder, right? Because it's a crescendo leading us to forte. We'll see. Again, breathe, breathe. Ti da ta, ti da, ti da ta. La da ti da da, ti da ta. Okay, then next phrase. Again. Yeah, make sure that all phrases have a very nice ending, like closing the door. Now, let's see how it looks like when we play all phrases together. Make sure that your right hand has a lot of rest, right? Not a lot, but like between phrases, it's like little rest. So breathe with your right hand. Left hand has no rest. So left hand you can do just legato, very nice, smooth legato. Okay, let's see. So, and what our perspective? First phrase looks like soft, right? Second phrase, we can do a little bit more, maybe mezzo piano. This third phrase leading to forte, and then again soft, closing this part, okay? Makes sense, right? A little bit slower here. You can do the same thing just to make sure that we can disconnect these two phrases, right? And then we will do it like in tempo. It's okay for this moment, okay? Now let's look at the next phrase, next section. This section a little bit longer, but it starts like this material, right? How many phrases we have? Tam pa pam 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 taram. Then next phrase a little bit higher and a little bit louder. Ta da tam pam pam param. Chromatic notes, you see, very beautiful. Then ta ra tam pam pam piram. And conclusion ta ra ra ram pam pam. Okay, let's see. Ta la li dam pam ti. Yataram tatiram. You have to feel this chromatic voicing, chromatic like beautiful melody. You can stop by the way B and G, just to feel the end of the phrase. La da ti dum bum ti yum. You see? And then next phrase. Ti da ti dum bum ti yum. You see, a little bit more intense, a little bit louder. Ti da ti dum bum li tom. And then next phrase. More sound, more voicing. Ti da ti da da ti yum. Ti da ti dum bum ti yum. It's still, even if it's forte, the end of the phrase, we have to do a little bit softer than this note, because this is our destination, right? We can't play this loud and this loud, okay? And see what the conclusion phrase, how conclusion phrase looks like. La da ti da da ti pom, lam ba ti da da ti. Yeah, we can do little diminuendo. So practice every phrase like many times until you do it like smoothly, beautiful ending, beautiful beginning of the phrase, okay? Then we can connect all phrases together and we'll see how it sounds. First phrase softer, second little bit more, third little bit more, and then the last phrase ending like closing the door. Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah, you see? So the last phrase you can start for the da 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 da, and maybe like last 2 or 3 notes we can do a little diminuendo, okay? Okay. So next video I'll show you how to do this section, okay?